Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Cognito for Web3 sign-in, full guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by visiting the AWS Management Console. Log in with your AWS credentials. Navigate to the Cognito service from the Services menu. Click on Manage User Pools. Select Create a User Pool to start setting up a new pool. Name your user pool and choose the desired configuration options. Under Attributes, select the necessary attributes for your users, such as email or phone number. Proceed to the Policies section and adjust password policies as needed. Next, go to the MFA and Verifications section and enable multi-factor authentication if required. Configure the app clients by clicking on Add an App Client. Ensure that Enable Sign-in API for server-based authentication is set the expiration times for access tokens and refresh tokens. Once completed, make a note of the app client ID and app client secret. Now, navigate to the Domain Name section to set up a custom domain for user authentication. Choose a unique domain name and save your changes. Next, configure your Web3 application to interact with AWS Cognito. Install the AWS Amplify library in your project using npm or yarn. Import AWS Amplify and configure it with your Cognito user pool identifiers. Use the auth class from AWS Amplify to initiate the sign-in process. Prompt users for their credentials through a secure form. Upon submission, call the author's sign-in method with the user's email and password. Handle the authentication response to determine if the sign-in was successful. If successful, retrieve the user session and access tokens provided by Cognito. Implement functionality to manage user sessions within your application. For Web3 integration, connect the retrieved tokens to your blockchain wallet interaction. Utilize the retrieved tokens for authenticated API calls or transactions. Finally, ensure to test your authentication flow thoroughly for a seamless user experience. Implement additional error handling to manage failed sign-ins and session expirations. Review your security settings and best practices for AWS Cognito to enhance your application's security. Your setup for authenticating with AWS Cognito for Web3 sign-in is now ready for deployment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.